Next witness, Officer Barkus.
My time has come.
King James, come in. Can you tell me what you saw?
I reminisce, as it were.
Would you sit down?
Of course.
Go on.
I reminisce, as it were, the first car, on a cold, stormy day, struck the other car with such an abrasive force. And the driver out through yonder windshield brakes onto the pavement at maximum velocity.
All right. Now, did you get a look at who did it?
It was a conniving sort squandered in the deepest bowels of Hades, bred from the blackest boiling
All right.
pits of-
All right. Yeah. That's enough. So, is there anything else useful you can tell us?
I have, as it were.
Are you writing this down?
Nah, I'm asking questions.
At least you're doing something for a change.
A plethora of various pelts in mine castle.
All right. So no. Okay. Thank you, King James.
Fare thee well, kindly policeman. I bidden you.
Right this way.
I take my leave.
All right.
Where are you getting these witnesses?